how are you doing? I'm teacher Cristian and you are now watching a Module 2 class with the topics weather and seasons of the year. In the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about what the weather like in your city and to talk about the seasons of the year. So let's get into it. When you want to get information about the weather, you can ask this question. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Repeat. What's the weather like? Yeah. And to answer a question like that, it's you have to start with the expression it's. Yeah. Always begin the answer with it's. For example, in this picture, you can see the sun. Yeah. So it's a sunny day. The answer is it's sunny. Repeat, it's sunny. Yeah, remember, always start with it. On the next slide, we have here a couple of clouds. So the weather here is cloudy. Yeah. What's the weather like? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. Now we have heavy clouds with lightnings, and here we have a stormy day. So the answer for the question, what's the weather like, is it's stormy. It's stormy. And now there is clouds with water falling down. The weather here it's rainy. So what's the weather like? It's rainy. It's rainy. And for now there is a cloud blowing wind. The weather here is windy. So the answer is it's windy. It's windy. What we have now, there is snow. So what's the weather like? It's snowy. It's snowy. For now, you can see a shiny sun. Yeah, so probably it's hot. So what's the weather like? It's hot. It's hot. And the last example, you can see the temperature is low. It's a low temperature. So the weather here is cold. So the answer is it's cold. It's cold. Okay, so now that you have learned all the kinds of weather, let's practice it one more time. Focus on the pronunciation. Repeat: sunny, cloudy, windy, stormy, rainy, snowy, hot, and cold. And always remember, start the answer with the expression it's, right? So now we have here some examples of places around the world. Here's a picture from New York City, and we have a question: what's the weather like in New York? As can you see, in New York is snow. Yeah, there is snow in this picture. So what's the weather like in New York? It's snowy. It's snowy in New York City. Now there is a picture from the wonderful city, Rio. Yeah, so what's the weather like in Rio? Can you answer? Here the weather is sunny, so it's sunny. Of course, you have many options. You can say it's hot or it's windy. Yeah, you have many possible answers for a question like that. Next picture, there is a picture from London. What's the weather like in London according to this picture? So the weather is rainy. Repeat, it's rainy. And the last picture, a picture from Paris, the Eiffel Tower. What's the weather like in Paris? Can you answer? According to the slide, it's cold. Yeah, it's cold, but you can also say it's snowy. Yeah, right. So now that we finish talking about the weather, let's start the second topic. Let's talk about the seasons of the year. There are 4 seasons of the year. Do you know them in English? First one, spring. Repeat, spring. Yeah, that's a beautiful, really beautiful season with a lot of flowers, very colorful. The next season, we say summer. Summer. This season has high temperatures, and you know the days are longer and the nights are shorter in this season. The third one, the third season, we have here fall. Fall. Yeah. You can call it by autumn as well, because in this season it has this name, fall, because the leaves are falling from the trees. Yeah, so fall is the name of this season. And the last one we have here, winter. Winter is the opposite of summer. Right now this season is cold and the nights are longer and the days are shorter. Okay, now that we have learned all the 4 seasons, let's practice it one more time. Yeah. Again, repeat: spring, summer, fall or autumn, winter. Yeah, spring, summer, fall, winter. These are the 4 seasons of the year. Okay guys, for now we have the exercise. Let's check your understanding. This exercise A is about the seasons of the year. So remember the 4 seasons of the year: summer, spring, winter, and fall. You have to read the sentence and try to guess which season is this sentence talking about. Okay, I'm gonna answer the first one just to model the exercise, and then I'm gonna give you a few minutes. You have to stop the video and try to answer this question, and then come back, continue the video for us to correct together. So number 1, it's a hot and sunny season, perfect to go to the beach. Guys, which season is hot and sunny? Which one is perfect to go to the beach? Of course, summer. Summer is a good season to go to the beach with these high temperatures. Okay, now stop the video and answer the questions number 2, 3, and 4. Have you finished? I hope so. Now let's answer number 2. There are plenty of flowers, singing birds, and fresh air in the... Which season is this? Which season has a lot of flowers? It's very colorful. Of course, it's spring. Spring season is colorful, has many flowers. Yeah. Number 3. In Tanana, you need to wear sweater and jeans to protect from the cold. Now it's talking about cold. Which season is cold? Which season you have to wear heavy clothes to protect from the cold? It's of course winter. Winter is cold. And the last one, we have only one missing season. It's of course fall. Yeah, fall is a nice season to take pictures of the naked trees and yellow leaves on the floor. You remember? The leaves fall down to the floor. That's the last season, the fall. Okay, let's go to the next exercise, exercise B. Now, this activity talks about the weather. Yeah? So forget about the seasons. Now focus only on the kinds of weather. Sunny, hot, snowy, cold, right? So question B. Write the name of each kind of weather. Take a look at the picture. Yeah, number 1. You can see a snowman. Yeah, so what's the weather like in picture number 1? It's snowy. Yeah, it's snowy. We have here snowman, snowy. Okay, so again, stop the video, answer the rest of the questions, and then come back to the video. Right, so let's go. Question number 2. Look at you can see here 39 degrees, so it's a high temperature. What's the weather like in number 2? It's hot. It's hot. Yeah. Number 3. Look at the picture number 3. What's the weather like here? Sunny. It's rainy. It's rainy. And picture number 3. 4. You can see a cloud blowing. What's the weather like here, number 4? Windy. It's windy. Number 5. You can see the sun, extremely shiny sun. So what's the weather like here? It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. Picture number 6. What's the weather like? Remember the heavy clouds with lightnings? This one is stormy. So the answer is it's stormy. It's stormy. Number 7. Now you have only a couple of clouds. Yeah. So the weather here is cloudy. It's cloudy here in number 7. And finally, the last one, number 8. Look, we have here a low temperature. It's marking 10 degrees Celsius. So what's the weather like in number 8? It's cold. It's cold in number 8. Okay, so that's all, guys, we have for today. You just learned about the weathers of the day and the seasons of the year. So remember, follow us on Instagram at cel.acre and on Facebook by celnel. And if you want to check your understanding, go to the platform educ.sce.ac.gov.br. There are several exercises over there. You can practice it. So, thank you very much. See you later.